Now that you're ready to attend SMU, you're probably wondering what to take with you. Don't worry, today I'll show you what to pack in your path to become a Mustang. First, let's talk about your backpack. You want to make sure that you have your passport, your driver license, your I-20, completion of your international student course, immunization record, emergency contact, credit card or debit card, money, probably more money. Because you're coming to Texas, I'll recommend you to take sunglasses with you, and of course glasses if you wear them, or contact. And remember to take a medicine bag with you, with common drugs such as painkillers, hand sanitizers, band-aid, cold remedies, and other drugs that you may need. Now that you have your backpack ready to go, let's talk about your suitcase and what you should take with you. Pack some t-shirt with you. Enough to last you at least a week. Then pack some pants. But be careful, the weather in Dallas can be a little bit unpredictable, so be ready to have pants for both cold and hot weathers. And of course, don't forget your favorite SMU socks and underwears. And since you're on it, bring that hat as well. Don't forget your rain gears. And of course, a couple pair of shoes for all the adventure you're gonna go on. Now it's the time to bring out your electronics. A computer, an iPad, and perhaps your favorite camera. And oh, don't forget your charger. You don't want to be that guy. And then, bring some decoration that you want to put around your dorm to show your individuality. And bring a formal attire if you have one. This is for all the formal event that you're gonna attend and the interview that you're gonna get. Oh, lastly, don't forget your toiletries. This includes toothbrush, toothpaste, and shower gel. But bring just enough for you to use on the road, because you can get them easily here at the United States. Congratulations! Now you're all set. Travel safe and pony up!